MitID is at the core of Denmark's digital infrastructure, yet for many citizens and businesses, it can still feel abstract or technical. In this video, we will walk through what MitID is, why it was introduced, how it works in practice, and what it means for security, privacy, and the future of digital services in Denmark. By the end, you should have a clear, practical understanding of this modern identification system and how it affects your daily digital life. To begin, MitID is Denmark's national digital identification solution used by individuals, businesses, banks, and public authorities to verify identity online. It replaces NemID, which had been in use for more than a decade and became a central tool for logging into online banking, public services, and many private platforms. While NemID was successful for its time, it was based on older technology and security principles that needed an upgrade to meet new digital threats and enable more flexible, future-proof solutions. MitID was designed to take that next step. At its core, MitID is a secure digital key that allows you to prove who you are when you log in, approve transactions, or sign documents online. The system is built as a collaboration between the Danish public sector and private financial institutions, ensuring that one shared standard can be used consistently across banks, government services, and a wide range of private companies. This shared infrastructure reduces complexity for users and at the same time raises the baseline for security across the entire digital ecosystem. The transition from NemID to MitID was not simply a cosmetic change. It addressed three underlying challenges. First, the need for stronger and more flexible security, especially in an era of sophisticated cybercrime. Second, the need for a system that could scale beyond national borders and be interoperable with European digital identity standards. And third, the need to support more user-friendly interfaces and devices, recognizing that people increasingly manage their lives through smartphones and tablets. In terms of how MitID works at a practical level, most users experience it through the MitID app on their smartphone. When you log into online banking or a public portal, you still enter your user ID, but instead of keying in codes from a physical card, you receive a prompt in the app. You confirm the action by swiping or entering a personal code, or in some cases by using biometric authentication such as fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on your device. For those who cannot or prefer not to use a smartphone, alternative options exist, such as a code display or a hardware token. These devices generate one-time codes that can be used to approve logins and transactions, ensuring that MitID remains broadly accessible, including to people who are less digitally inclined. Behind this user interface, MitID relies on strong cryptographic standards and multi-factor authentication principles. This means that proving your identity is no longer based solely on something you know, such as a password, but typically combines something you have, like your phone or code device, with something you know, such as a personal code, or in some cases, something you are, through biometrics. This layered approach substantially increases resilience against fraud, phishing, and identity theft. Security is, understandably, one of the most frequently discussed aspects of MitID. The platform has been designed to meet strict regulatory and technical requirements, including alignment with European Union standards for strong customer authentication. The system is monitored continuously for abnormal behavior, and there are clear processes for revoking or updating credentials if a device is lost, stolen, or compromised. Users are encouraged to treat MitID with the same level of care as a passport or physical ID, and to be vigilant against social engineering attempts, such as unsolicited calls or messages asking for codes or approvals. It is important to emphasize that while MitID is a powerful tool, it is not a magic shield. Security still relies on informed and cautious behavior from each user. Privacy is another central concern, and MitID has been designed with a strong focus on data protection. The system does not function as a central register of everything you do online. Instead, it provides a secure method for verifying your identity to the service you are using. Each service you access only receives the information necessary to complete the login or transaction, consistent with Danish and European data protection laws. The parties operating MitID do not see the content of your banking transactions, your medical records, or the details of your interactions with public services. Their role is to verify, not to monitor. When discussing MitID, it is also useful to consider its broader impact on society and the economy. For citizens, MitID makes it easier to access essential services quickly and reliably. Whether you are checking your digital post, filing taxes, renewing a passport, managing pensions, or signing legal agreements. For businesses, a standardized, widely trusted identification solution reduces the cost and complexity of onboarding customers, performing Know Your Customer checks and securing transactions. For the public sector, MitID supports efficient, largely paperless administration, freeing up resources and improving responsiveness. It is a key enabler of Denmark's broader digital strategy, which aims to keep the country at the forefront of digital public services while maintaining high trust levels among citizens. The introduction of MitID has not been without challenges. Any large-scale shift in digital infrastructure requires significant transition planning, user education, and technical coordination. Some users experienced confusion about new procedures, while others needed assistance moving from NemID to MitID, particularly those who are less comfortable with digital tools. Authorities and financial institutions have worked to mitigate these issues through information campaigns, dedicated support lines, and in-person assistance at citizen service centers and branches. Over time, adoption has increased steadily, and MitID is now a normal part of daily digital life for most residents. Looking ahead, MitID is positioned as a platform that will evolve. The architecture supports integration with future European digital identity frameworks, making it possible for Danes to use their digital ID beyond national portals, and over time, to access more cross-border services with the same secure credentials. This could include everything from studying abroad and managing pensions in another EU country to interacting with foreign public agencies or private providers. In parallel, ongoing development will focus on refining the user experience, strengthening security as new threats emerge, and ensuring that the system remains inclusive for all segments of the population. For you as an individual user, a few practical recommendations can help you get the most from MitID. First, ensure your MitID app or device is set up correctly and kept up to date. Software updates often include important security enhancements. Second, store backup options, such as recovery codes or an alternative device, in a safe place so you can regain access if your primary device is lost or replaced. Third, be skeptical of any request asking you to approve an action you did not initiate. If you receive an unexpected MitID prompt, decline it and contact your bank or the relevant authority using official channels. Finally, protect your personal code and never share it, even with people who claim to be from your bank, the police, or the government. Legitimate organizations will never ask for it. In summary, MitID is more than just a replacement for NemID. It is a foundational element of Denmark's modern digital society. By combining strong security, a focus on privacy, and broad usability, it enables seamless interaction between citizens, businesses, and authorities in a way that is both efficient and trustworthy. Understanding how MitID works and how to use it safely is now a basic digital skill for anyone living or operating in Denmark. As the system continues to evolve and integrate with European frameworks, it will remain a critical enabler of digital innovation, supporting a society where secure, convenient online identification is not a barrier but a given.